These sweet avocado pancakes and raspberry compound butter are incredible together. You have to try these. Arguably the star of the show here, the raspberry compound butter is made by simply mashing softened butter with fresh raspberries to create a beautiful balance of rich and tangy. Shape it, chill it, and you'll have a gorgeous butter you can use on, well, almost anything. Now you can blend the avocado to make it ultra smooth, but you'll see just by mashing with a whisk, it blends seamlessly into the batter. And here's the interesting part. You can either make fluffy pancakes by using less milk, or custardy pancakes like the ones I'm making by using more milk. After mixing the wet ingredients until well incorporated, gradually combine the wet and dry ingredients and mix until just combined. I recently started letting my pancake batters chill in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes before cooking to let the flavors meld and allow the flour to relax. What do you guys think? Do you rest your pancake batter? Let me know. The flip is my favorite part. The pancakes cook to a beautiful golden brown with a tender creamy center thanks to the avocado. Stack your pancakes and top with that raspberry butter we made earlier. The tangy fruity butter pairs so well with the rich and creamy avocado. Top with fresh raspberries if you'd like, and you have a sweet, creamy, satisfying, and not to mention visually stunning treat. Definitely give these a try, and as always, never follow the recipe.